Good morning, guys. Today I wanted to show you how we can combine two different parametric models in one. So, for example, I can just go to my collections and open a parametric chunk. This is the case that, for example, if I need to make a lot of cathedral rings, I can just make it once, save it in my collections, and edit that model every time I need to make a variation. So this is my model. I got everything ready, I've been using it, I know it works. So for example, if I change finger size, it updates completely. Okay, this is a regular parametric model. But the interesting thing about MatrixGold is that I can combine this with another parametric model. So if now I'm importing a package that I made completely separately to this, I can bring it into my design with the cathedral chunk. So as you can see, that's my packhead, and at the moment, if I change cathedral chunk, the packhead will not follow. It will not take the packhead into consideration. But if I remove this ring rail and I go to the stone gem ring rail and I click here ring rail and I select this ring rail, I just need to drag it to the center. Now it's all working together. So cathedral ring rail, let's say I want to increase the single size to 8. Okay, as you can see, the stone is following. If I change it to, let's say, size 6, again, it follows. Okay, but not just this. Like, for example, I can get the stone, edit the stone, and it will follow the shape. So for example, now, let's say I want to edit the chunk. Like, this is a very interesting way of working because it allows me to change both things at once while keeping parametric history. So let's say I want to make this a bit longer towards the stone. I can do that easily. What else? I could probably blend curves here. I can play with the shape of this. So look at parametric design as a way of working better with your design, not just to offer variations. At least that's the way it can be implemented. For example, what else? We can take a profile, edit that profile, and play with that. Again, we can change the shape if we wanted to. So yeah, that's a very interesting way of combining two different models, the chunk and the packhead, while everything is parametric. Let's not forget to mention that we can obviously change the shape of the center stone, for example. Yeah, so the possibilities are really endless.